Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.8% against the yen. The ROC is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Nasdaq and S&P 500 indexes advanced on continued optimism that a US debt ceiling deal would be reached within days, with discount retailer Walmart providing additional support after an upbeat annual sales forecast. Coinbase took its zero-fee subscription service Coinbase One out of beta testing and expanded it from just the US to also include the UK, Germany and Ireland. For $29.99 per month, customers don't pay trading fees and get higher staking rewards. The Australian dollar slipped after soft jobs data reinforced market bets of a rate pause next month, while the Kiwi was marginally higher as New Zealand's budget showed government spending could add to inflationary pressures.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1700 hours GMT. Germany's producer price index at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's tertiary industry index at 0430 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 2030 GMT. New Zealand's credit card spending at 0300 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.